Hello, good morning everyone. Let's revise moon and its phases today for your periodic test. So you all know where you see the moon? Where you see the moon? You see the moon in the sky. Okay? Where you see the moon? We see the moon in the sky. And what you say? Moon is nearer to the earth than the sun. Okay, if you compare the distance from earth, sun and moon, the moon is nearer to the earth in respect to sun, and distance of moon to sun, of moon to earth is how much? From moon to earth is 3,84,000 kilometer. What is the distance from moon to earth? That is 3,84,000 kilometer. Okay. It is the second biggest, brightest object in the sky after the sun. Which is the brightest object in the sky? First one is sun and second is the moon. Isn't? First is the sun and second is the moon. The surface of the moon has small holes that are called as craters. The small holes on the surface of moon is called craters. Okay? We can say small holes here, huge hole. So, in spite of small, there are very big holes on the surface of the moon, which are said to be as craters. Then, this is about your moon. Then next part, from where moon gets its light. From where the moon gets light? Moon gets its lights from the sun. Okay? Moon gets its light from the sun. Moon does not have light of its own. Okay? Moon does not have light of its own. It takes the light from the sun. But it seems bright. Why? The light which it receives from the sun, it is reflected back. So, the moon shines with the help of sunlight. Then, what is the shape of the moon? Shape of the moon is spherical. Shape of moon is, it is given in a book round, or you may say also spherical. Okay? Because moon is just like big football ball. Okay? Moon is just like a big football ball. It is similar to a balls. It just as the moon moves round the sun, same way as earth moves round the sun and moon moves round the earth. Okay? Sun moves round the sun and moon moves round the earth. The moon moves, how much time it takes to move from to complete one round? Moon takes 70, so how much days? 27 days, 17 hours and 43 minutes. How much time moon takes to complete one round? How much time it takes? 27 days, 17 hours, 43 minutes. Okay, this much time is taken by moon to complete one round of the earth. Okay, to complete one round of the earth, it takes this much time. Then sun is lighted, its remaining part remains dark. You see, if you take two balls, the light which is falling on the moon from the sun, the portion on which the light falls, that is bright and other part is dark. Okay? The portion on which the light falls, that is bright and the other portion is dark. So what does it mean? What does it mean? That side you see moon in different shapes and sizes. Okay, daily we see moons in different shapes and size, and the lighted part of the moon are of different shape and size. This is called phases of the moon. What it is called? Phases of the moon. Total how many phases are there? 14 phases are there. When the size of the moon increases, when the sign of the moon increases, it is called as waxing moon, and when the size of the moon decreases, it is said to be as waning moon. Okay, see now, when it is new moon, when you doesn't see a moon in the sky, then it is said to be as new moon. Okay, when you doesn't see anything in the sky, then it is said to be as new moon. And when you see small strip of the moon, it is said to be as crescent. Now it grows and it comes to half, that is said to be as half moon. And after 14 days, you can see a full moon. Okay, after 14 days you will see a full moon, that you will see a circle. So that full moon is not exactly full moon. It is that total half part of the moon is towards the sun, and other half is at the back, which is towards the sun, that you can see as a bright part, and which is at the back you cannot, it is not visible to you. That side, that half portion which is bright, is said to be as full moon. The full moon occurs when the moon and the sun are opposite side. When both are opposite to each other, then only you get a full moon. Otherwise you get the moon in different direction and different sizes. In a day or so, the moon move further as lighted part is shape of a thin arc, but the thin arc of the moon is said to be as crescent. Then it comes half moon, then it comes full moon. Again, now it will start decreasing to half moon, crescent, and again the new moon you will get. So total how many days taking for new moon? 28 days. But exactly if it is asked, it is 27 days, 17 hours, 43 minutes. Okay, approximately it is 28 days. Now how many phases of moon are there? There are total 16 phases of the moon. You can see half moon twice a month, full moon once a month. Okay, you can see half moon twice a month and full moon once a month. Okay, and you all know that there is no air on the moon. Still scientists are engaged in finding about the presence of air and water on the moon, but you cannot say there is air or water on the moon. Okay students, that's all for this chapter.